Morning class, welcome back to your UPSC learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have explained the revision test of lesson 15, that is conjunction beta. Today I am going to take your revision of lesson 16, that is interjections beta, in which you all know that what do you mean by interjection. Interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling of joy, surprise, sorrow or pain. Okay, this type of words are used. Oh, ouch, oops, this type of words we use in interjections. Like for an example, hurrah, we have won the match. So in this, hurrah word is used for the excitement. So it is sudden feeling. So it is used as interjections. Ouch, I have cut my thumb. These type of sentences are used to express some sudden feelings, and the words which are used in the sudden feelings like ouch, oh, these are all interjection words. Okay children, so what you all have to do, I have prepared one revision test paper for you beta. You have to complete the revision test before 9:30 in the morning. Okay, so in which what you all have to do, you all have to first you write the questions properly, then you write down the answers also. Okay, and you have to submit, you have to complete it in your English language fair copy. Don't give me answers in typed. Okay, you have to send it only by writing in your English language fair copy. First you write down the questions, then you give the answers. Okay beta, let's start the revision test of lesson 16, interjections. Morning class, as you all know that yesterday I have demonstrated the revision test paper of lesson 15 beta, that is conjunctions. Today I am going to take the revision of lesson 16, interjections. So mention today's date, that is 16 to 21, lesson 16 interjection revision test paper, and the right side classwork beta. So the question number 1 is write the definitions of interjections and 2 examples also. So in this you have to write the definition of interjection beta according which you have learned in the class. So you have to write the definition of interjections, and you have to, for giving the more explanation, you have to give 2 examples also. Okay beta, in the question number 2 you have to encircle the interjections. First is, oh what a beautiful rose. Oh what a beautiful rose. You have to encircle the interjection in this. In the second one, bravo Sachin, well played. In this also you have to encircle the interjections only. In the third one, hey you dropped your key. And the third one is, hey you dropped your key. So you have to encircle the interjections only in this. Okay, first is, oh what a beautiful rose. Second is, bravo Sachin, well played. In the third, hey you dropped your keys. In this 3 you have to encircle the interjections only. Okay, come to the next question, that is supply suitable interjections in the blanks. First one is, dash do not make a noise. You have to fill the interjection word here to complete the sentence beta. In the first, dash do not make a noise, you have to fill the word. Next is, dash what are you doing there. At the last question mark means this is interrogative type of question, you have to fill the interjection here. Next, third is, dash our team has won, so fill the interjection again. And the fourth one, dash what a cute baby, so you have to fill it properly, write in a neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct, and filling options should be also proper beta. Okay, so I am going to again repeat the questions. First is write the definition of interjection. So you all know I have explained in the earlier classes also that what do you mean by interjection. So you have to write the definition of interjection beta, and you have to give two examples also. When you complete this, give one line space and underline it with the black pen. Come to the question number 2 and circle the interjections. First is, oh, what a beautiful rose. You all know what is the interjection word in this. You have to make a circle around that. Question number 2 is, bravo Sachin, well played. Bravo Sachin, well played. In this you have to again encircle the interjection word. In the third one, hey, you dropped your keys. So in this you have to encircle again the interjection word beta. Come to the next one. Question number 3, you have to write down the interjection word in the fill up the blanks. Supply suitable interjections in the blanks. Dash, do not make a noise. Second is, dash, what are you doing there? So you all well know that you have to fill the interjections. Third is, dash, our team has won. And in the fourth one, dash, what a cute baby. I hope now it is clear to you what you all have to do in this questions, in 3 questions of interjection beta. So write it neatly, nicely. Please write down the questions first, then write down the answers in your English language fair copy beta and send it to me into the WhatsApp group. And you have to learn the comprehension for the next revision test. Okay, so learn the lesson comprehension and complete it neatly, nicely. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay beta, thank you.